them out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later. With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vacuum helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vacuum patented with tunnel technology. The Linx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
Master bare floor cleaning with the stylish Electrolux Ergorapido Lithium Ion Plus Vacuum, featuring a lithium turbo power battery. Ergorapido Lithium Ion Plus is the 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum that offers the cleaning maneuverability of a lightweight stick vacuum with the convenience and ease of a handheld. Thanks to the advanced technology of a 10.8-volt lithium battery, the vacuum is ready to clean when you are. It recharges in 4 hours, 4 times faster than a nickel metal battery, and maintains superior suction power and fade-free performance throughout vacuuming. An extended runtime of up to 21 minutes provides longer cleaning with fewer interruptions. Electrolux skillfully engineered this vacuum to easily clean both bare floors and low-pile carpets in less time. Ergorapido's cordless design and 180-degree easy steer swivel head swiftly twists and turns around furniture in your home. And the detachable handheld vacuum cleans upholstery and countertops in one smooth motion. A crevice tool and dusting brush are stored in the vacuum's handle for easy access, so you can clean crevices, stairs, or above floor surfaces at a moment's notice. Enjoy the cordless freedom, greater suction power, and longer runtime of Electrolux Ergorapido Lithium Ion Plus.
Introducing the Flex Mini Canister Vac by Black & Decker. The go anywhere, reach anything cordless vacuum that makes quick cleanups faster and easier than ever. Only the Flex is a 4-foot flexible hose that allows you to get into all those hard to reach places. Inside couch crevices, around appliances, even all around your car. The cordless Flex is so easy to use because Black & Decker designed it for the way you clean. Engineered with 40% more suction power to tackle messes big and small. Plus, the Flex comes with an attachment for every job. You get the 2-in-1 brush nozzle, the long crevice tool, this one-of-a-kind pet hair tool, and this slide-on storage caddy, so everything you need is at your fingertips. The Flex by Black & Decker. Small size, big flexibility. Buy one now.
few parts and no tools required, your Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is so easy to assemble. First, take your portable lift-away canister. Go ahead and line up the back of the unit with the back of the motorized floor brush and push down until you hear it click into place. Next, take your extension wand. These two wings on the back align with the back of the canister. Go ahead and line those up, push down until it clicks into place. Next, take your accessory holder. Your accessory holder has a groove on the back of this that lines up with a tab on the back of the extension wand. Go ahead and push that down all the way. Next, take your handle with stretch hose. Go ahead and put that handle over the top of your extension wand. Push down again until you hear it click into place. Go ahead and take your stretch hose, attach it to the back of the canister, lining up those tabs into the grooves. Next, go ahead and attach your accessories. Take your dusting brush, push that onto the top of the post. Take your crevice tool, go ahead and push up on the bottom post. Now you're all set, plug in, and you're ready to start vacuuming.